Hello, my name is Caitlin Sweeney. My current field placement is in an agency that provides mental health, substance use, and co-occurring treatment in southern New Jersey. The agency has been in existence since 1995 and services Gloucester, Camden, Cumberland, and Salem counties. This agency provides outpatient services, intensive outpatient services, and partial hospitalization to 110 consumers. I intern for the substance abuse and co-occurring disorder programs. I primarily work with clients in group therapy. The agency approaches treatment by focusing on an individual's specific needs, including their physical, emotional, social, and spiritual well-being. I hope to gain a more comprehensive understanding of how traumatic events contribute to subsequent disorders. Specifically, I would like to explore how traumatic events play a role in substance abuse and explore the effects of intergenerational trauma on individuals and the family. The population I plan on working with are children in foster care or children waiting to be adopted. Clearly, trauma plays a part in the lives of these children. Adopted children may be traumatized by the original separation from their parents or traumatized by the events that led up to them being put up for adoption. Foster care may be considered an adverse experience. A child being placed in foster care can be quite traumatic. Many children in foster care have experienced more than one form of trauma or repeated trauma, which may range from neglect, loss of a parent, or physical and sexual abuse. The first way I will take care of myself this semester is to get the proper amount of sleep, or try to at least. The second thing I will focus on this semester is getting more into meditation. And the third thing is to start practicing yoga again. Thank you.